Get the help you deserve after an 18-wheeler accident. Every 16 minutes, a person is killed or injured in a truck accident. 18-wheelers, in particular, injure more than 90,000 people every year, and in 2020 alone an estimated 4,965 people died in 18-wheeler accidents. For the last 10 years, fatal large truck accidents have been on the rise while the trucking industry continues to call for relaxed safety regulations. If you or your loved one has been injured or killed in an accident with an 18-wheeler, get help from an experienced 18-wheeler accident lawyer. Call one of the nation's leading truck accident lawyers at Munley Law today for a free case review. Our law firm is dedicated to helping victims of all types of truck accidents, including 18-wheeler commercial vehicles. We have spent years fighting against trucking companies and winning cases for victims of truck accidents just like you. We have the experience and resources to take on these companies, and we want to put that work in to help you. There is no charge for the consultation, and we do not get paid unless we win your case. Why do I need to hire a lawyer for my 18-wheeler crash case? If you or someone you love suffered a collision involving an 18-wheeled truck, you may know that you did nothing wrong and believe that the injuries and costs that the accident caused are obvious. You might wonder why you would need a lawyer to represent you. An 18-wheeler crash is not the same as a car accident. 18-wheeler accidents can result in severe injuries that could take months or years to recover from. While car accidents only involve you and the other driver, trucking accidents can have multiple parties involved. Here are a few other reasons why hiring a lawyer is beneficial for your 18-wheeler accident claim. Trucking companies regularly deny responsibility. Because there are thousands of accidents every year, trucking companies are well versed in the best strategies for denying responsibility and avoiding the costs associated with crashes caused by their 18-wheel truck drivers. Most trucking companies will have their representatives on the scene of an accident within hours or minutes. These representatives will work to collect evidence in an attempt to reduce or negate any claim you may have against them. Our attorneys have decades of experience and are considered to be the go-to law firm for truck accidents all across the nation. Our lawyers have had numerous settlements and verdicts against 18-wheeler trucking companies. When you hire one of our attorneys, the trucking company will know they are up against the best and most experienced 18-wheeler truck crash firm in the nation. 18-wheeler truck collision cases are complicated. Because 18-wheelers, car collisions, and medical injuries are complicated by nature, truck accident litigation is too. These cases implicate complex concepts in the areas of physics, chemistry, federal trucking regulations, biology, medicine, driving standards, and economics. When a claim based on an 18-wheeler collision goes to trial, accident victims will have to prove their case to a jury by explaining what happened using these complicated scientific and industry-specific ideas and principles. Our team at Munley Law has spent more than 60 years learning the ins and outs of the trucking industry, the science behind truck collisions, and the best negotiation and trial tactics to win big for our clients. We have built a team that understands how to use field experts, graphics, witnesses, and technologies in order to explain why victims like you deserve to be compensated. Getting the award you are entitled to require a lot of resources. Trucking and insurance companies have lots of money and manpower at their disposal, which they use to pressure accident victims into walking away or accepting settlements for far less than they deserve. In order to fight for the award you are entitled to as a victim of an 18-wheel accident, you will need to match the trucking and insurance company's vast resources. Our attorneys can work with experts to testify at trial and make use of the most cutting-edge technologies in order to prove your case to a jury. How much compensation could I receive for my 18-wheeler accident claim? 18-wheeler accidents usually result in serious injuries requiring a long recovery period. Some financial losses a truck accident injury victim could face include medical bills, lost wages, emotional trauma, and possible funeral expenses. For a successful injury claim, you could receive economic and non-economic damages. Economic damages refer to any financial losses that you accrued after the accident. Examples of economic damages include 1. Medical expenses. 2. Lost wages and earning potential. 3. Funeral costs. 4. Property damage. Non-economic damages can compensate you for any non-financial losses that you experience. Examples of non-economic damages include 1. Pain and suffering. 2. Emotional distress. 3. Mental anguish. 4. Loss of enjoyment or consortium. Unfortunately, insurance will rarely cover all these expenses. Your best option is to speak with an 18-wheeler accident lawyer to move forward. Munley Law. Call now 24/7 free consultation. 844-510-7643.